Hi, I'm Dale from Bridgeview Manufacturing in Gerald, Saskatchewan, which is on the eastern side, close to the Manitoba border. Talking today about the Pulldozer and mainly the Transformer that we offer with electronic monitoring, which is something new. There was no software in the country that was adequate for what we did, so we've got somebody to program and make that work for our system. We've been building bulldozers for approximately 15 years, and they've advanced from a straight blade 24-foot or 18-foot now with the transformer style, which makes it more transportable. This big machine will be 12 feet wide, which is pretty acceptable to move in most areas of North America and other parts of the world. The machine itself it's an earth mover, landscaping device. Started in agriculture, still strong in agriculture, but also branching out into construction. New subdivisions in major cities are using them, quick to move from site to site because you don't have steel crawlers that need to be transported by truck. They can just pick up and move to a new location rather quickly. From the farming side of it, it's a land reclamation. We have years of excess water, and it helps reclaim lost land. That's what it started from. It was designed and built by a farmer, which the boss of our company is the farmer that we helped design it for, and it's been a very successful unit. We have a number of copycats out there already, so it's usually a sign that you're on the right track. Now at the back side of the 2490 Pulldozer, we're going to talk a little bit about its features. As you can see, there's an extendable rear axle, aids in making it narrow for transportation purposes, but give you more stable control over the blade in front of you. You can tilt the blade. You can also run the blade with the wings pulled in. You can see it's got very large tires on it, important in wet conditions, flotation, all that sort of stuff.